ಓಂ ವಸುದೇವಸುತಂ ದೇವಂ ಕಂಸಚಾಣೂರಮರ್ದನಂ ದೇವಕೀ ಪರಮಾನಂದಂ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ವಂದೇ ಜಗದ್ಗುರುಂ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತಾ. Simple meaning, Chapter 1, Arjuna Vishada Yoga, verse 47, Shloka number 47. Sanjaya Uvacha Evamuktva Arjuna Sankhe Rathopastha Upavishat Visrajya Sasharan Chapam Shoka Samvigna Manasaha. Padacheda, splitting of the words. Evam Uktva Arjunaha Sankhe Rathopastha Upavishat Visrajya Sasharam Chapam Shoka Samvigna Manasaha. The Anvaya, the rearranging of the words in the prose form, in a sentence form, will be Evam Uktva. So saying, Shoka Samvigna Manasaha, with the mind overwhelmed with grief, Arjuna, Sasharam Chapam, the bow along with the arrows, Visrajya, abandoning, Rathopastaha, seated in the car seat. Rathopastha means in the car seat, in the chariot, seat of the chariot. Upavishata, sat down. So now the simple meaning will be like this. Now again Sanjay is coming back as an interpreter. Sanjay Uvacha, Sanjay said, Eva Muktu Arjuna. So saying, Arjuna, with his mind overwhelmed with sorrow, grief, abandoned his bow and arrows and sat down on the chariot seat. With this, the chapter ends, and at the end of every chapter, this one shloka is chanted, or as a concluding prayer. Ete Srimad-Bhagavad-Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna-Arjuna Samvade Arjuna Vishada Yogo Nama Prathamodhyayaha. Iti Srimad-Bhagavad-Gitasu Upanishatsu. Iti, so, thus, in the Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su Upanishatsu, in the Bhagavad Gita, which is an Upanishad, though Bhagavad Gita is not itself a Upanishad, because Upanishads are a part of the Vedas, but Srimad Bhagavad Gita is a Smriti Shastra taught directly by the Bhagavan Shri Krishna Paramatma. But it is called Upanishad, as we saw in the Dhyana Shlokas, Sarvopanishado Gavaha Dogdha Gopalanandana Partho Vatsa Sudhir Bhokta Dugdham Gitamritam Mahat. So if Upanishads are the cattle, the cow, the Gita is the Sarva Upanishad Saraha. It is the Sara, that is the milk of all those Upanishads. That's why it is as good as an Upanishad, because the same Vedanta, the teaching is here, taught here. So, the Vedanta is the three Prasthanatrayas, the Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita and the Brahma Sutras. So here Srimad Bhagavad Gita Upanishadsu, in the Bhagavad Gita, which is an Upanishad, Brahma Vidyayam, a text on the knowledge of Brahman, Yoga Shastre, a scripture of spiritual communion, Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade, and a dialogue between Shri Krishna and Arjuna, Arjuna Vishada Yogo Nama Prathamodhyaya. Here ends the first chapter named Arjuna Vishada Yoga, that is Arjuna's spiritual conversion or transformation through sorrow. Here ends the first chapter. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.